Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about phrasal verbs for shopping. Sell out, meaning sell all of the supply that you have of something. Sentence: the first issue of the magazine sold out within 2 days. Try on, meaning to test or wear an article of clothing, accessory to see if it fits or looks good. Sentence: I'm going to try on these shoes to see if they are comfortable. Check out, meaning to go to the cashier to pay for your items. Sentence: I need to check out and pay for these groceries. Pick out, meaning to choose or select something from a group of items. Sentence: I need to pick out a new dress for the party. Shop around, meaning to compare prices or products at different stores before making a purchase. Sentence: I like this laptop, but I am going to shop around to make sure I get the best deal. Stock up on, meaning to buy a large quantity of something, usually to ensure you have enough for a period of time. Sentence: I need to stock up on canned food for the winter. Haggle over, meaning to negotiate or argue about the price of something. Sentence: I haggled over the price of the antique vase at the flea market. Cash in on, meaning to take advantage of an opportunity to make money or gain advantage. Sentence: the store cashed in on the holiday season by offering special discount. Pass over, meaning to choose not to purchase or select an item. Sentence: I had to pass over the expensive gadgets and stick to my budget. Load up, meaning to fill a shopping cart or basket with items. Sentence: let's load up on snacks for the movie night. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.